Tim with Outdoor Trail Hiker. I thought I'd make a quick little video, show you a project I've been working on the last few days. I had an old bed frame with, the angle iron, and I went to Lowe's and I bought some of that C-channel. I guess it's in the electronics department or electrical department. I'm not sure what it's called, but you can buy your brackets and it'll slide in the C-channel. So I got some of that, and I have an old flux wire welder that I've had for years and years. Doesn't do the best welds, but it burns hot enough that I can get all the way through on this metal. So I got everything laid out. I figured out how I want it to look, and I built me a truck bed rack to go on my Nissan Titan. That way later on I can mount a rooftop tent to the top of it. I made two brackets to mount a shovel on one side. I just finished that just a minute ago. I'm going to mount high lift jack and possibly another shovel, different type, and maybe some traction boards to the sides. The traction boards may go up in the top, underneath top. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. But it came together really well. I wasn't sure how stout it was going to be with the materials I was using. But once I got it all welded together and I got it bolted to the truck bed, it's stout. I've been up on top of it. It's not going nowhere. Like I said, the welds may not be the prettiest welds, but it's functional. It's going to work. I can do a little more work to the welds later if I want to, straighten them out, sand or grind them down and repaint them. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like it is and work on getting my high lift jack mounts made and kind of figure some of the other stuff out. Get a game plan for getting a rooftop tent so I can mount on there. I'm trying to get everything ready for when it warms up next year and we start doing our National Forest camping season in Arkansas and Texas. I think is where we're going to start. But I'm just trying to get all that together now so when it warms up, we're going to be ready to rock and roll. Get some good videos out there to y'all. Give some reviews on the products we're using. And just, have a good time. And hopefully y'all enjoy what we're doing and you'll follow along with us. And, subscribe to our channel because next year there's going to be a whole lot of videos added. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this. I hope y'all like my rack I made. I don't have a lot of money in it. So, it's something that a person can do without spending a whole lot of money. I was tickled pink that it came together as good as it did. But the quarters that I have to work on stuff like that was pretty cramped. So it was quite a job maneuvering around and getting some stuff done. But it did come together. It's on the truck. And I'm fixing to show you the pictures of how it turned out.